Everybody, Michael Lauder here, and I wanted to show you a quick video just sharing the easiest ways to make money on Fiverr.com. Now, if you're not hip to Fiverr, it's a digital marketplace where you can hire freelancers, you could sell digital products, offer services. They all start at $5, and once you get a little bit of credibility on this platform, you can go ahead and scale up. So I started using Fiverr a handful of years ago, and what I would actually do is use it as a platform to test my digital products out, see if I had something. So I would create a simple digital product, and if you don't know how to do that, comment below if you're interested, and I'll show you how to create your first simple digital product, and then I would offer it on Fiverr. And then from there, if I got some traction or was making sales on it, I would go ahead and expand it, do some paid traffic to a lead capture page, and sell it on the back end and really blow it up. So I was always in the real estate niche, so I would do how to buy real estate, how to flip real estate, real simple courses. And so if you go into Fiverr, search out whatever niche you're in and see what people are offering. And if you think there's a marketplace for it, go ahead and create out a product for it and test it out. Now, not only for offering your services, but to hire people to do whatever you're looking for. So like, let's say you're building out a YouTube page. You got YouTube thumbnails. You could outsource that to save you some time. Let's see what we have in here. So we got YouTube thumbnails, $5, 465 reviews on this. So if you were in this, are able to create thumbnails, you could launch right away and start making money. But really, the easiest way to make money on Fiverr right away, if you just wanted to try some work at home type strategy that doesn't take a ton of work, ton of your time, is doing review videos. And you could set the stage for this. You could say, like, let's say you're really into Facebook, say, I'll review your Facebook program, course, whatever. I'll do a review of your product. And a lot of times people are going to send you their courses or their products for free. So it's one way to get an education for free. And then you can just say, I'll do up to 30 seconds in my car from my iPhone for $5. You can make it as basic as you want and set the stage. I mean, look at this. People are building out some mega plans here. $550. I'll review and plan your Pinterest strategy. $550. So just because it's Fiverr.com and they start at $5, once you build up a brand on here, you could charge some serious dough and get it as well. I've done $1,000 deals on Fiverr for coaching. So yeah, the sky's the limit. Start with something basic at $5, start growing it out. And as you get some traction, you can really charge some stuff. Improve your Instagram profile, $150. That's not nothing there for a gig. So that's awesome. But the easiest way to start making money on Fiverr is just to do reviews and testimonials. Start building up your name on this platform and then go ahead and expand from there. Now let's see what else we got here. One other thing I wanted to show you on Fiverr. Scroll down to the bottom here. If you already have an existing audience, you can also be an affiliate. Get paid for driving traffic to Fiverr, dynamic CPA up to $150. Receive commissions for every first-time buyer. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like you're going to get reoccurring from this, but if you could send traffic to Fiverr on first-time buyer basis, get people signing up, they're going to give you a kickback as well. Let's see what they want here. Become an affiliate. So yeah, everything looks pretty basic on here to sign up. They probably allow just about anybody to become an affiliate on the front end. And as long as you don't break any of their rules, you're in, and you could start promoting to an existing list. Or if you don't have anything yet, you could start creating tutorial videos on YouTube and drive the traffic to your Fiverr affiliate link and start earning commissions that way as well. So there's just a handful of ways that you can start making money on Fiverr. Like I said, don't be discouraged because it starts at $5. Just start hustling, build out your platform, and then, like we seen real quick there, you could work or earn up as much as 550 plus. So for more tips and tricks on how to build side income streams, be sure to subscribe and drop by takingactiontoday.com. We're doing the Gary Vee book giveaway tomorrow morning. And then next week, we'll have another book and we'll continue each week from there. Something that's going to help you expand your hustle, your strategies, and your income stream. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.